myself to death.
Hey, so a fire alarm went off, but everything is fine. So I had to start another stream, but let's get back to it here.
You're here to try harder, you're here to lay back. That voice behind the polarized advice can be the same. Dark's more confusing than tiring. Low light with eyes wide open for creatures of hurt are first in hiding. Some with fangs, some with horns, some with claws, some with more. Ain't it amazing how many strange things pop in your head in bed? It's hard to sleep like this, thinking of all these strange things when you're stressed.
All right, I'm gonna just mute the mic.
There's monsters nearby. There's monsters There's monsters nearby. From everything you've seen, I'm sure you're out of ways to hide. And though you may have gotten bit before, it takes a little more to die. You're only told advice like, why don't you bite back? Well, that's nice, but I've tried, and the metaphor doesn't work like that. But the venom in your veins speaks volumes to all the silhouettes you can't compare. And you know if you don't run, they're gonna catch you. I can bet you there's nothing there. Ain't it amazing how many strange things pop in your head in bed? It's hard to sleep like this, thinking of all these strange things when you should rest. 'Cause it's hard to sleep like this.
Well, the alarm just went off again, so hope that means whatever.
There's monsters nearby. We can be scared of what's just assumed, but just where you hear them there, just over a room. You can pull apart what you've fallen for and step into the dark. I thought it was hard, but just at the start, only get so far. Putting off those dreams of yours. Ain't it amazing how many strange things pop in your head in bed? It's hard to sleep like this, thinking of all these strange things when you should rest. 'Cause it's hard to sleep like this when there's monsters nearby. There's monsters I'm dead tired, but there's monsters nearby. It's time to set myself into a daze and fall back into habits I can't break. Cadence pressure's monotone, but the grip lets go when your blood's hydrocodone. My blood's fucked up, my gut's fucked up, my head's fucked up. But God, I gotta be fucked up. Stress telling me to blank again, but that pain's intense. I'm filling voids up with voids again. It keeps the paranoid at bay, I guess. I'm letting time and money go to waste again. I wish I haven't been, but here I am again. So pull me in, I'm gonna set myself into a daze again, and fall back into habits I can't break. So now what then? I keep getting caught in fires I stoke, but the burns go cold when your blood's hydrocodone. My blood's fucked up,
Excuse me.
my gut's fucked up, and my head's fucked up. But God, I gotta be fucked up. But the words come home when your blood's hydrocodone. My blood's fucked up, my gut's fucked up, and my head's fucked up. But God, I gotta be fucked up. Stuck phrases start to sound the same. I guess I'm just stressed, I guess I'm getting too tired out. I couldn't have seen what this became. I'm not in my best, but that's how my head's wired up. But when the rest fires up, it's, I guess I never saw this coming. I spent all of my time running. Now people are saying things I'll never know. And there's nothing I can do to stop them. They left with the shoes I brought 'em. I guess I'm really only good at causing problems, and you were never good at solving those. So everything so sick, so after second more chances are hard to sell. It's nothing I can't help, nothing I can't fix myself. If only I could tell, if I'm a monster in your closet, the elephant in the room, if I'm the dust under the rug that's suffocating you. I guess I never saw this coming. I spent all of my time running. Now people are saying things I'll never know. And there's nothing I can do to stop them. They left with the shoes I brought 'em. I guess I'm really only good at causing problems, and we were never good at solving
Okay. So I fixed whatever that bug was. Now the total amount of money that you have is getting updated in the interface. Okay, yeah, so the other thing I want to do, I don't know if you noticed, but in the screen here there's a timer that shows up. So after a purchase is made, double check here.
So if you think so, say so. Why don't you just say so? There's reasons for these bags under my eyes. It's effort I don't give except in lies. And maybe it's the weight of all the promises that I can't keep. But the universe will not let me sleep. Talk about the time I waste, all the things I said I'd do but only say, and nothing was done today, but I still feel I shouldn't be awake, exhausted from the same old grievance, another day, another moral inconvenience. And who would bat an eye?
So right now I'm seeing if when somebody comes to buy something, if the amount of money that I have goes up. Yeah, it does. Went from 9,750 to 9,805, so that's good.
And I wait. There's still so much left to do when I'm awake, and I've long lost track of days. In just one night where all is just a haze, I've long forgotten what dreams feel like. Another sleep, another eon lost from daylight. You've learned too many words, they're more sleep. It's too much for me to hide, and it's too much effort to lie. Conflicts confuse, confine. My sanity's borderline. Converse with the open air. Tell stories whenever you're there. Just a lesson, the only one who cares. Words can strike as dear. Your tone, I sense it's sincere. Implications are minor, but a major impact it hears. Alone in a desolate tomb, bare grips all I make do. The only way I'm intertwined with you. When words can't speak alone, I'll amplify it on my own. And every night I die a bit inside as I wish my world away. No scratch, that's too cliche. And every stroll I think of how dumb it was to stay up all night with you. I'll start this page anew for you. It may be just an escape. My thoughts, they always elate. The pseudo-bliss wears off, and all the effects just negate. Until I'm with you again, and I strain as I wait for that.
Never set the timer. She's right there. Oh, damn it.
I lie to myself every day. Hope problems just go away. You're only a way to delay
There we go.
my admittance of staying the day. If words could delay the dawn, my time, it would be drawn out long enough to forget about the wrong. Oh. And every night I die a bit inside as I wish my world away. No scratch, that too cliche. And every stroll I think of how dumb it was to stay up all night with you. I'll start this page
So,
anew.
yeah, it didn't work.
I'll find out what I have to do in here. I hope the world doesn't realize as I sit in my own fear more than waiting around just to sacrifice thought after thought.
10 seconds per 500. Let me see.
There's too much for me to hide, and it's too much effort to lie. I'm confused and confined. I've already lost my mind. I don't think I'm gonna open the door right now. I'm not really down with having visitors. Ring all you want, but I won't find out what you've been ringing about. No solicitors. It's not the dishes what I do to be rude to Jehovah's Witnesses, but that told me you should be thinking I'm giving a damn about what your business is. I don't think I'm gonna open the door right now. I've heard of shut-ins, heard of hermits, heard of basement dwellers. Bodies full of stress and heads full of bestsellers. The rooms they fucking have to desk their fucking brain. There ain't too many they trust to look inside and leave them sane. So, if you need me, I'll be in my room with the lights off. I'll be treated like a tool where I can play dead to the world for a day or two. No, I'll be seeing you, so tune to you. I don't think I'm gonna open the door right now, 'cause I'm not really down with having visitors. You can bring all you want, but
Oh, derp.
no solicitors.
Hey, Michael. Yep, back in action. Yep.
No solicitors. It's just what I do to be rude to Jehovah's Witnesses, but that told me you should be thinking I'm giving a damn about what your business is.
So I need to take into account if I don't have a discount, then it's going to need to use the current order cost instead of the actual order cost. So if I do something, see, so now I've got like a 20-second timer. Sweet. And then now I just need to make it so that I can't make a purchase until the timer is done. So is countdown timer finished? If it's not finished, log. Purchase cooldown not complete. Alright, let's see if that works.
I've been cleaning out the closets, 'cause it's about that time of year. Can't be holding on to all this, so I'll be doing what I can around here. If you could
So I can't make a purchase until that 30 seconds is up.
that I can't promise,
But I'll just go ahead and
I wouldn't leave the mess that I'm in now. God damn it. God damn it. Skeletons all out for show. I found them not too long ago. I tell you if you know, born to pick that, born to flick to men numb. But did it matter?
Alright, so it's done. I can place another order, and now I've got a 1.5-minute timer. Cleaning out the closets, god damn it, 'cause it's about that time of year. Can't be holding on to all this, god damn it. So I'll be doing what I can around here. If you could take me back a decade, maybe I could work things out. I can't promise. Mess that I'm in now. Alright. I'll need to go through and double check, but I think I've got just about everything that I needed to get done complete. So I'll go through everything that I did real quick. So I made it that you can now, first of all, you can add multiples of an item and any amount of an item to this order side here, and it updates the total amount on the bottom right there. If you add more than 5,000, it'll give you a 5% discount. If you add more than 10,000, it'll give you a 10% discount. And if you have too much in there, more than you have money for, the text turns red. You can place an order. So I'm going to place this order here. Subtracts from your total funds, and then for every 500 credits that you spend, it adds 10 seconds to a timer. So now if I tried to buy something, I can't because the purchase cooldown isn't complete. I also added the ability for you can click this button at the top here to just clear out. Oh, and see the text down there is red now, as you can see, because I don't have enough money for that now. You can hit the X button up here to clear out all your orders. You can exit back out to here. You can see in the inventory window here, this second up on the left side here has 1,025 because I purchased more of those. So now I'm gonna place some tables, lay out some things for people to come by.
We made a mistake. Oh, of course we did. Nobody's gonna fix it for us. They'll ignore us and tell us we're insane. But it's so safe in your America. Out here it's terrible. We've gone hysterical. All the pundits say, oh, we're all just pawns. You don't know what's going on. But before we're fight a few fears, we can do this. We can do this. Ropist and scared. Don't wanna hear who cares. Flash your bright sunrise, your fight song. We'll get through this. We'll get through this. We'll get through this. We'll get through this. Don't say to fight as if we haven't been. They keep our numbers thin. You can join in. This will not be the end. We coulda, woulda, shoulda, but we didn't. Now here we are and here we go. Unless you guess it's best we stay hidden.
All right.
Don't just say so. Do so.
Now the timer's finishing up, so I can go back in here. I'll go ahead and buy some more of these. Just so you can see on the bottom left, I've got 9,912 of them. I'm gonna buy 3 more, so I should have 9,915. And now I do. And since I only got 3, I didn't spend 500, so I don't have any time on the timer. I'm gonna press this button here to open the doors, and we've got one of the new models for the customers. I created a database that I'll pull over from the inspector to, show again, which picks from the available possible models in there to spawn as customers. The customers also have their own animation tree, and I'm basically taking in the speed that is coming in from the nav mesh agent, and I'm applying that to a parameter to determine how fast they're moving to affect the blend tree in there to pick what animation. And that's pretty much it. This has been a good project to work on. I've really enjoyed it. Yeah, I feel pretty good about how it looks. I'm gonna see if I can, it's kind of hard to see the variation because they're not super different looking. So I'm gonna wait until I have the default, like the original default customer object, which is made out of a cylinder and a square. I'm gonna wait, there it is. I was gonna wait for that to show up just to show that it's taking from that pool. Yeah, well, so I've been making a lot of databases of objects to pull from lately, as you've no doubt seen from my work in Infinite Horizon and stuff like that. So I've gotten pretty good at that. And I didn't do all of that. I didn't do everything that I just said this morning. That's stuff that I've been working on all week. But yeah, so I have down here, there's the customer controller. Whoa, what is that? So I moved to this customer controller script. This is something I did this morning. It was originally in the game object up here. I gave it its own object. Excuse me. And I created this customer database, which has the different customer objects in there, which have the same scripts as the cylindrical customer prefab. But basically I made it so it's you can reference it from anywhere using the customer database.reference, and then use the .retrieve random customer, and it pulls that random object from there. So I can just change the size of this and add something new. And that's it. So it's about 10:30. I'll probably be switching gears to another project. Yeah. I don't know if that's enough time for me to get really deep into a different project, though. I have this one already up that I was working on yesterday. Yep, I think I'm going to end the stream here today because I've got some emails to send and stuff. But thank you for joining me despite the fire alarm disaster that happened earlier. So, yeah. Hopefully you'll join me again tomorrow for the last live stream of December. I'm going to be starting back up sometime in mid-January after the holidays. I'll still be working, I'm going out of town and I won't have my stream set up and everything. But thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed it. So have a wonderful rest of your day. Cheers.